From our showroom floor here in Riverside, California, let's not forget these big, beautiful standards that we have. This thing's got to be 42 pounds of pure love. 1968 Olympia. This thing's pretty sweet. Yes, it can do big paper. Oh, it can do even bigger paper. Look at how wide that carriage is. Just in case you needed to write your own book and bind it. Let's see the best feature that I love about these things. The answer is this injector. This big handle here, you grab it, you pull, and the paper comes through for you. No reason to feed. Just grab and pull. Needless to say, it'll do red. Let's try it in black. Oops, let's not mess up. Yep, quite a good imprint. Oh, I missed a few words there. That's my fault. This is a writing machine. If you had to write your next novel, this would be the machine to do it on. We got it for sale on our showroom floor. Feel free to call and make an appointment today. We're here in Riverside, California. Please come play with our typewriters. Mrs. Typewriter absolutely insists upon it.